Pitting and corrosion of water lines attached to the ground can be caused by several factors. Firstly, electrolytic corrosion can occur. When dissimilar metals, such as copper from the line and iron from a fence post, are connected in the presence of moisture, an electrochemical reaction occurs, causing corrosion at the point of contact. Secondly, soil conditions play a role. Acidic or alkaline soils can accelerate corrosion of metal-water lines. Soils with high chloride content, such as near coastal areas, can also promote corrosion. Thirdly, stray currents can cause corrosion. Electrical currents that leak from nearby power lines or other sources can travel through the ground and cause corrosion on water lines. Fourthly, biofilm formation contributes. Microbial organisms can form a biofilm on the water line surface, creating a protective layer that traps moisture and promotes corrosion underneath. Fifthly, improper installation can be a factor. If the water line is not properly installed or protected, it can be exposed to moisture and corrosive elements, leading to corrosion. Sixthly, age and wear contribute. Over time, water lines can deteriorate due to age and wear, making them more susceptible to corrosion. Seventhly, galvanic corrosion can occur. This happens when zinc-plated steel or other reactive metals are used in the water line or its coating, and they come into contact with moisture. Zinc sacrifices itself, protecting the steel until the zinc layer is depleted, exposing the steel to corrosion. Eighthly, erosion is a cause. Soil erosion or exposure to strong water currents can wear away the protective coating on the water line, making it more vulnerable to corrosion. Prevention measures include using corrosion-resistant materials such as plastic, stainless steel, or copper with a protective coating. Avoid connecting dissimilar metals at the water line. Install a cathodic protection system to minimize electrolytic corrosion. Ensure proper installation and protection of the water line. Control soil conditions by adjusting pH and reducing chloride content. Regularly inspect water lines for signs of corrosion and repair or replace them as needed.